Hi, thanks for checking out our 2017 Ford Ranger XL 2.2 4x4. This one here has been priced to sell really quick. We have a range of Rangers in stock. This one here has travelled 173 Ks, full Ford service history as well. Is an ex-fleet car and has been really well looked after. You get your centre armrest, power socket in the back. You do get your climate control, standard reverse camera, and it does have on this one rear sensors, soft tonneau. Even in the back, it's been really well looked after. There's no major marks or scuffs in the back. It does have a flashy light on the roof, which may come in use for you, or we can take that off. Do get tinted windows, all-terrain tyres. We do have a range of finance, and we can also trade in your vehicle. We look forward to speaking to you soon.